So you have set up your online shop. It looks good. But there is this tiny thing at the bottom that says powered by Shopify. Want to get rid of it? Hang on. It's as simple as you think. I have got you covered. This video is sponsored by Appmaker, a brilliant Shopify app that turns your website into great mobile apps. Thanks to Appmaker, you can easily create native Android and iOS applications for your Shopify store. Now, let's dive into how you can make your store truly your own by removing the Powered by Shopify text. Alright, grab your mouse and let's get to it. First off, log into your Shopify account. Got it? Great. Now, on the left, you will see a bunch of options. Click on Online Store and then Themes. Are you with me? Okay, let's keep rolling. Find where it says Edit Default Theme Content. Click on that. In the search box up here, just type Powered. It's like a magic word that's gonna bring up what we need. See this line saying Powered by Shopify. We are just gonna make them disappear by pressing space button. Almost done. The most important part, hit that save button. Don't skip this. It's like forgetting to save your game before turning off the console. All that progress, poof. So remember, save it. Got it? Nice one. We are done. No more Powered by Shopify. High five. Drop a comment once you have done it. If this helped you out, pass it on. Hit like, share with your buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.